Quick question for you. You've just invested in QuickBooks, or maybe you're thinking about it. You're ready to streamline your finances, get your books in order, maybe even finally understand where all your money's going. But you open the software and it looks like you've just landed on the control panel of a spaceship. And you think, okay, where do I even start? Does this sound familiar? You're not alone. We've all been there, staring at a new piece of software, wondering if there's a secret decoder ring we missed. And when it comes to something as crucial as your business finances, you don't want to guess. You want to know. You need to know. Now, you could dive in headfirst, clicking buttons and hoping for the best. You could spend hours scouring online forums, trying to piece together a solution from scattered advice. Or you could find some training. But here's the million-dollar question. Does QuickBooks actually offer free training? Is there a way to learn this powerful tool without spending even more money? Think about it. You've already invested in the software itself. You're trying to save time and money, not add to the expense. So, the idea of free training is incredibly appealing. But is it too good to be true? Are we talking about a few basic tutorials, or are we talking about comprehensive, in-depth learning? Before we dive into the specifics, let's understand why training is so important. QuickBooks is powerful, yes, but its complexity can be daunting. It's not just about entering expenses and invoices. It's about understanding the reports, reconciling accounts, managing inventory, and even handling payroll in some versions. Imagine trying to build a house without knowing how to read the blueprints. You might get something that looks like a house, but it probably won't be structurally sound. The same goes for your business finances. Without proper training, you might be using QuickBooks, but are you using it effectively? And let's be real, time is money. Every hour you spend trying to figure out QuickBooks is an hour you're not spending on growing your business. So, free training isn't just about saving money. It's about saving time, which, in turn, saves you even more money. Now, let's get down to brass tacks. Does QuickBooks offer free training? The answer, like most things in life, is a bit nuanced. It's not a simple yes or no. QuickBooks does offer a range of free resources. They have a robust online help center, filled with articles, tutorials, and FAQs. You can find answers to specific questions, learn about different features, and troubleshoot common issues. This is a great starting point, especially for basic queries. They also provide free webinars and on-demand video tutorials. These are often introductory sessions covering specific topics, like setting up your company file or creating invoices. These can be helpful for getting a general overview of the software. And let's not forget the QuickBooks community. This online forum is a treasure trove of information. You can ask questions, get advice from other users, and even find solutions to complex problems. It's a great place to connect with other QuickBooks users and learn from their experiences. However, when we talk about comprehensive, in-depth training, the kind that will turn you into a QuickBooks master, that's where the free resources might fall short. The free options are often focused on the basics, the introductory stuff. They're designed to get you started, but they might not cover all the advanced features and functionalities. Think of it like learning a language. You can learn the basics for free with online resources, but to become fluent, you might need to invest in a course or a tutor. It's the same with QuickBooks. The free resources are like the basic vocabulary, and the paid training is like the advanced grammar and conversational skills. So what about paid training? QuickBooks offers a variety of paid training options, including online courses, live webinars, and even in-person training. These courses are typically more comprehensive and cover a wider range of topics. They're taught by certified QuickBooks Pro advisors, who are experts in the software. These paid options often include hands-on exercises, real-world examples, and personalized support. They're designed to help you master QuickBooks quickly and efficiently. But here's the thing, you don't necessarily have to spend a fortune on paid training. There are many affordable options available, including online courses from third-party providers. These courses often offer excellent value for money and can provide you with the in-depth training you need. And let's not forget the power of YouTube. You can find countless free tutorials and walkthroughs on YouTube, covering a wide range of QuickBooks topics. While the quality of these videos can vary, There are many excellent creators who provide valuable insights and practical tips. So, to summarize, QuickBooks does offer free training, but it's more like a starting point. It's great for getting the basics down, but if you want to become a QuickBooks expert, you might need to explore paid training options or leverage the wealth of information available on YouTube. Now, let's talk about how to maximize the free resources. First, start with the QuickBooks Help Center. It's a goldmine of information. Use the search function to find answers to your specific questions. Don't be afraid to explore the different sections and learn about the various features. Next, take advantage of the free webinars and video tutorials. These are often short and focused, making them easy to digest. Watch them at your own pace and take notes. And don't forget the QuickBooks community. This is a great place to ask questions and get advice from other users. You can also search for past discussions to see if your question has already been answered. Finally, explore YouTube. There are many excellent QuickBooks tutorials available on YouTube. Look for creators who are certified QuickBooks Pro advisors or have extensive experience with the software. Here's a quick tip. When using free resources, focus on learning the core functionalities first. Don't try to learn everything at once. Start with the basics, like setting up your company file, creating invoices, and entering expenses. Once you're comfortable with the basics, you can move on to more advanced features. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.